Introducing Birla Oppus Assurance, a guaranteed way to build trust with your customers. With Birla Oppus Assurance, give your customers peace of mind. If the painted surface shows issues within 1 year of painting, we repaint the affected area free of cost. That includes both product and labor. We cover 5 common painting problems: flaking, blistering or peeling, dampness, patchiness, fungal or algal growth, and chalking. Unlike most popular warranties, Birla Oppus Assurance covers the entire painted area, not just individual products. With no minimum order quantity or separate warranty registration needed, you can now give your home a finish that stands the test of time with Birla Oppus Assurance. How can I register for Birla Oppus Assurance for my site? In the Oppus ID app, go to Project Details and select Oppus Assurance. Enter your project details. Add or scan products used. Validate with OTP and submit to register for Birla Oppus Assurance. How do I qualify for Birla Oppus Assurance? Here's what you need to be eligible for Birla Oppus Assurance. Painting on site must not have started for the project if you want to register. Only Birla Oppus products to be used on site for the entire painting project. Site paintable area must be over 2,000 square feet. This service is for retail customers only. You must be a certified Birla Oppus contractor and applicable on emulsions, waterproofing and enamels. What are the key features of Birla Oppus Assurance? From performance to protection, here are the top features of Birla Oppus Assurance that you will love. Easy to register via Oppus ID. The access for the service is only for our certified contractor network. Easy, hassle-free claims. We handle the repainting. And fosters customer confidence and loyalty. Offer your customers more than just paint. Offer them Birla Oppus Assurance.